quick way to cover where the radio goes, like a radio delete or whatever, because I have my radio here, so I don't want to have this hole where you can see all this shit. Nasty. Well, I already cut it, as you guys can see, but I used like a book cover and some scissors to measure it. I didn't measure it, but I mean to cut it out. And excuse me, it should look like that. And obviously I'm not gonna use this. I have some Pexiglass that I bought at Home Depot. Pexiglass, I'm not sure what it's called, but yeah, I will be installing that tomorrow, cutting it out with somewhat grinder or whatever, and I'll show you guys the process of it. The Pexiglass that I was talking about, I got it for like 10 bucks, or probably less, like $6. Yeah, I just put that on the other side with tape, and I'm gonna cut it out with the grinder, I believe. So we're not gonna wait till tomorrow after all, because my boy Weller, like always, helping me out. He's gonna cut the Pexiglass for me, and let's see how he does it. I'll show you guys in a minute. Shout out to my boy Weller. You can't see it right now because obviously it's clear and it's dark, but hell yeah, he got it going. Pretty badass. Thank you, Weller. And now for a long trip to my house. He lives down the street from me. Yee! And I'm home. I'll put the car inside in a little bit, but I'm home. I'll show you guys tomorrow the install part. Boy, I couldn't wait till tomorrow to show you guys. That's how it looks. Dope. Maybe I should make one for the valve cover. It'll probably melt. Guys, so I wrapped it last night. It's 8 time. I should have shown you guys the process of wrapping it, but I'm pretty sure you guys can wrap it, right? All you need is wrapping paper, carbon fiber, or whatever color you want. For the wrapping was pretty much all you need is any type of vinyl that you want. Use a razor blade to cut it out. Just trace it around the edges and everything. It was not hard, it was pretty simple. Anybody can do this. Have I shown you guys my light?
Oh, go figure. Look at that. Oh, look at that.
Can't wait till I put it on. Yeah, you can see me. That's how shiny it is. That's how it should look in the sun. I don't know if you guys can focus to it. It's pretty nice. All I'm gonna use is this super glue that I purchased from Dollar Tree. They're like 2 for $1. I had some left over, so I'm gonna use that. Well, I hope I don't mess this up. I don't know if we should put the glue on the plate or should I put it on here? Fuck, I'm gonna mess it up. Maybe if I put my hand through and just pop it out, try it out first and then pop it out. Yeah, cause this
Remember back in the days when niggas had waves, Gazelle shades and cornbread. Hit your pennies, buddies had the
Nice here, guys. Hope you guys like it, and I hope this video helped you guys out. Like, share, and subscribe, man. Show me that you guys want to see more, and I'll be doing more videos.
Turn your pages to 1993. Niggas is getting smoked, G. Believe me. Talk slick, you get your neck slick quick. Cause real street niggas ain't having that shit. Toting text for wreck. Smoking blunts in the project hallways. Shooting dice all day. Waiting for niggas to step up on some fighting shit. We get hype and shit and start writing shit. So step away with your fist fight ways. Motherfucker, this ain't back in the days, but you don't hear me though.